Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, friends, I will be teaching you how to make this healthy, yummy, crunchy spaghetti. The ingredients are 4 different types of bell pepper sliced, carrots sliced, green peas. I also have 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, 1 cup of onions, tomato pasta sauce, 1 kg fried chicken boneless. For spices I have 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 3/4 tablespoon salt, half tablespoon garam masala powder, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1/4 tablespoon cumin, coriander and cardamom powder, and half tablespoon oregano. I also have 500 grams of spaghetti. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the 4 different types of bell pepper. Add pinch of salt. Fry for 1 minute. This is because we want our bell peppers crunchy. Now I'm going to take it out. Fry your cherry tomatoes for 10 seconds. In the same pan, I'm going to add some oil and fry my peas. Fry for 5 minutes. Add a pinch of salt. Fry carrots for 2-3 minutes. Add 1/4 cup of oil and cook your onions. Cook until light brown, flame medium to high. Add ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add tomatoes and cook until it melts. Add water throughout this process. Add the spices. Mix well. And add some water. This is so the spices don't burn. Add fried chicken. Mix well. After 5 minutes, I'm going to add my pasta sauce. Mix well. If there's anything missing, you can add it now. Add all the fried vegetables. Mix well. I took out half of my material and put it inside a different pan. Now I'm going to add half of my spaghetti inside. I've mixed it all and I'm going to dish it out. I've dished it out, now it's time to enjoy. This is very tasty and colourful, so make sure you definitely try it out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos.